Three concentric circles centered at O have radii 1, 2, and 3. Points B and C lie on the largest circle. The whole ring between the two smaller circles is shaded, and so is the part of the ring between the two larger circles that falls inside the central angle B. OC. The total shaded area equals the total unshaded area. What is the measure of angle BOC? In degrees? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's draw it. Three circles share the center O, with radii 1, 2, and 3. The angle BOC is the piece we are looking for. The whole figure is the disk of radius 3. Its area is pi times 3 squared, which is 9 pi. Since the shaded area equals the unshaded area, the shaded part must be exactly half of 9 pi, which is 4.5 pi. The inner ring, between radii 1 and 2, is completely shaded. Its area is pi times 2 squared minus 1 squared. That is pi times 4 minus 1, equal to 3 pi. The outer ring, between radii 2 and 3, has area pi times 3 squared minus 2 squared, which is 5 pi, but only a sector of it is shaded. The part inside angle theta. That shaded sector is 5 pi times theta over 360. Now set the total shaded area equal to 4.5 pi. 3 pi plus 5 pi times theta over 360 equals 4.5 pi. Subtract 3 pi. So 5 pi times theta over 360 equals 1.5 pi. Then theta over 360 is 0.3. And theta is 108 degrees. So angle BOC measures 108 degrees.